Welcome to this Cadline Dynamic Maps video, where we'll be looking at the Spatial Importer tool within MapThat. Spatial Importer tool is available from the Edit Tools menu by choosing Import Data and then Spatial Importer. For the Import Layer List, we can choose an existing spatial import, which we can then delete, export, or choose to show within the map. Having clicked Show, the features for this layer are loaded into the map canvas, and you can also hover over each feature to reveal their attributes. Let's clear the map, and back in the Spatial Importer tool, let's choose the Create New Plus button to start our own data import. Before you import, choose the question mark button to view the help tips for importing, including the options you'll need to select for your chosen GIS dataset. Let's give the new import a name such as New Wards. We can then choose a source format, which includes a number of GIS and CAD file types. Next, choose Browse to find and select all the individual files for your GIS source dataset. Remember to select each one. Once opened, select the Series or projection of the source GIS file, for example 27700 for British National Grid. And finally, select the spatial database you wish to import the GIS file into. Here I'll choose my Liverpool GeoStore SQL database. Choose the Upload button and the source GIS file is then uploaded into the destination database and added into the map canvas. In this case, we've uploaded the wards for Liverpool. Again, if you hover over each map feature, the attributes for the source GIS data is shown in the bubble. And the data table from the right will show the full list of records, detailing the ward codes, the ward names, and at the top, a record count shows us there's 33 wards within this area. The MapThat Spatial Importer tool allows your users to upload their own GIS and CAD datasets from their own computers to your chosen GeoStore, for them to be able to view and interrogate alongside all the other mapping layers.